Meekhalgi Khudongchaba Louduna Khunnaibu Manghanba Hotnaba Khudakta Lepkadabani MC Unification. Meekhalgi Khudongchaba Louduna Khunnaibu Manghanba Hotnaba Khudakta Lepkadabani KCP UW GMC Unification PROB Singthai Nganbagi Serolakna Hairekri. Democracy Satpa India Gumbada Micham Miyamgi Sakat Thorang Mapung Phana Paikatpa Ngamdaba Mapaba Lusingba Khanaba Sahi Manghamagi we Pangthokliba India ki Mikhal asi Micham Miyam Apaba Lusingba Khalobana Bagi Yamnaba Maruweba Amani Marambaduna Sahi Manghamagi we Pangthokliba Member of Parliament MP Amadi Manipur Legislative Assembly MLA Member Khanaba Pangthokliba Meekhalgi Khudongchaba adu Kanagumba Amatana Swatharaba Kanglai Khunnaibu Manghanba Hotnaba Khudakta Lepkadabani Hairi Selosina Hai Lupasina India ki Meekhalna Thoina Thoksade Amuksu Hingna Asibagong Pankak Oereba Kanglai Papu Manghan Tahanaba Honoriba Mi Karasigi Makutaki Kalonaba Matamgi Pangthokliba Meekhal Singda Apapa Mihut Lusingba Khanaba Hotnabagi Tangai Padabalei Meekhalga Marile Nana Kanglai Khunaida Apaba Achangba Miyamgi Mihut Kalonanaba Khananainaba Yaribadi Indiana British ki Makutta Ningkha Tamjingediki Tongan Kanglu Puruk Kaya Kundariba Kanglai Pa asi Ningthau Panba Isagi Lengak Lon Mapung Phaba Leijaba Ningkha Tamaleba Kama Oina Pereki Hairi Matam Amada Southeast Asia the Ningkha Tamba Isagi Pothokna Ningtamna Sajaba Checha Injaba Ningthau Panba Lebak Ama Oina Lerikiba Kanglai Pa asi Indiana British ki Makuttagi Ningtamba Phangdringaidagi Nankatna Ningkha Tamlakhiba Kanglai Pa asi Hojikti Indiana Namtin Tinsenbidagi Hiram Kudingda Sothaduna Lakli Aduna Sanglaba Sahi Kaya Sakni Finibigum Police Punsi Lelakliba Kanglai Pa asi Minai Naithangi Punsi Marelgi Koksanaba Asengba Matik Saba Afaba Miyamgi Mihut Khalonaba Sahi Mangagi Oiba Pangthokliba Meekhal asi Yamna Maru Oi Hairi Hojikti Hiram Kayada Sotharaba India dagi Niraga Hingliba Kanglai Pa asi Sakhatpa Maikei Sangsinaba India ki Marangba political system asi Hongdoktuna Matamgi Pangthokliba Meekhal Achangba Afaba Kanglai Pa ama ohenaba Asengba Lusingba Khalhoba Tangai Phade Masida Kananguma Meekhalgi Khudongchaba Louduna Kanglai Khunnai asi Mang Taknaba Hotnabadi Lepkadabani Hairi Hanukta South India ki Meekhal the film actor C. Joseph Vijayan Lusingba TVK Kauba Regional Political Party na sound Mai Paktuna si Minister Oikiba Kanglai Miyam Khangnatana Malem Sinbatungna Khangna Unari India ki Motlaba political system asi Sumthok Minabagi Mahutta Kanangumana Meekhalgi Khudongchaba Loraga Zamjaraba voters Singda Apangba Siduna drug heroin ente tablet Yauna Makhal Kayagi Nisa Piduna Mitakhanba Punamaksi Matakta Meekhalgi Mingda Saksa Haijanaba Sinba Mikok Tinaba Sel Genba Madi Loramba Tengarbadi Loop Asina General Singi Matakta Akpa Serak Pigani Haina Section Wapamsu Serlasina Tamlakli Hosiki Memoriba Pauda CBH Class 9 the loan Tamnab compulsory Wehenaba Taurangi Matakta Tagalakpa Wakat ki hearing S. Cinemathang Serolda Sataragani. India ki Masagi loan Yamdabada Anidagi Tatana Yaholaga loan Ohum Tamba Lakiba July Amadagi Horduna Class 9 gi Mairi Singdama compulsory Uhenaba Kangan Kibasi CBSC gi Anuba Polisibu Signaraduna Torkiba petition Ama Mathang Sayolda Makoine hearing Sataragani Haina Supreme Court Ngasi Pongdokre. Senior Advocate Mukul Rohatina Wapamasi Chief Justice Surya Kanta Masung Justice Singi Joymala Bakchi Amadi Bipul M. Panjelina Saba Benz Amagi Matang the Putoktuna Kangan Kibani Masi Tintaba Yadraba Tuba PIL Petitioner Singasi Mahirui Singh Waza Singh Masumapa Mama Singh Ni Makoina Loan Ani Amaga Class 9 Standard compulsory uhenbasi CBSC ki anugba policy signary bani haina orhotat gina phongdokhi waphamasi hearing sathakadimundamak list tongnaba top court asina haiduna orhotat gina haiki masina sarangna bama tholagani CJI na hai mathang sayol asi miscellaneous sale ama oigani amadi wafam asi list tawrgani. Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE na handakta kuidringai da thokiba circular magi matugina July amadagi horduna class 9 hairoi singidamak masagi oijaba India gi loan yamdrabada ani yaurga loan ahum tambasi compulsory ni ohenki. Masigi khongtang asi National Education Policy NEP lisingani kun amasung National Curriculum Framework for School Education NCF S lisingani kulumdagi leiriba masigi scheme of studies aduga manna satminagani. Secondary stage skill knowledge ability behavior sing masab sana khanganaba masigi textbook sing asina short story sing sharing sing amasung non fiction gi thabak sing gumba school singna thagalakaba sub sanaba local natraga stage literary masak sing awat apa sing menkatkani haina board na haidi board asi makhata na hai supplementary literary masak koina siznabagi khangat pa amasung theory maths amasung practice na sing mari gi leinaba detail guideline June 15 da issue tawgani May 3 da thokiba circular gi matungina Mirei ba ki loan ama tamnigi damak khanba mahirwe sing India masagi loan ani tamlaba matung da ahum suba loan oina natraga ahenba oina bari suba loan ama oina tamba yai haidi. Class 12 ki damu July amarising kuntruk tagi sanaba horaduna loan ahum R1 R2 R3 tamba si yamdabada loan ani tagi tatana India masagi loan ohenbaga loinana compulsory oigadabani haina circular asina haidi board hai dedicated R3 textbook sing phangri phawgudi class 9 mairwe sing khalaga lolui class 6 R3 textbook siznagani board school sing de class 6 tagi 9 phawgidamak offer tawriba makoigi R3 loan adu June 13 phawgi manungda OAS IS portal da upload Tawnabasu Hanganki. Board ki matugina schedule loan taramapanda class 6 R2 textbook sing asi July amadagi mamangda school sing da phangangani aduga native Indian language oina lengdana lehamgidamang school sing phangliba State Council of Educational Research and Training SCERT amasung state level resource siznaba yai haidi CBSE na makha tarakpa anuba syllabus anigi system makada ahanba class 10 board examination lising kunturuk class 9 cohort gidamak lising ani kunipanda pangtholagani haina phongdokhi VITAP University masing mapan suba University Meet Harau Taramaga Chauba Thorungalina masigi Amravati te leiba campus tengrang pangtoki boloinina institution asigi academic excellence innovations amadi social commitment gi concept amukasu masak nairiba ningsing kudam thamkhre Thoramasida Pratap P director head of campus relays SC Altec Chennai Tamil Nadu guest of honor in Sarukya ki